Hi y'all, welcome back to Hanging Out with Liz. Today you're here with Liz and Summer, and I am super excited because today it is fall Fab Fit Fun, y'all. Can't wait. So today is fall Fab Fit Fun. And I'm going to open her up. I'm going to see what's in my box. And it looks like this. And it is so pretty. Give you another sneak peek here. Okay, let's set her down. And let's start going through my box. Let's see what we got. We got the magazine, of course. Tips and tricks and whatnot. And you've got your ads. I don't use Daily Harvest, but if anybody wants to use it, $40 off your first box. Okay. And then we've got the box itself, and I can't wait. And we're going to start and get right into it with category 1. I chose the personal air purifier. I chose it from my husband's truck. It is HEPA friendly, and they're gonna have them directly with the site. It is a newer version of it, a newer company. And I have one in my bathroom that's similar. I do like them. They are small and petite, but they do a good size space. And it comes with the USB. Right? And they're supposed to be quiet. Let's find out. This is going in hubby's truck. Let's try it. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get this open. See if we got long enough cord. Just run it for a second. Let's see if it's quiet. I know it's got a blue glow, it said. I know I have one that's got a quote-unquote blue glow, but it's like bright at night. Let's see. There. Okay. Well, this one's louder than mine. It's not bad. It's not quiet either, though. This is the blue glow. It's actually quite a bit bright. But it is supposed to clean the room, so that's good. So that's what we got as an air purifier. Okay, it's category 1. Let's keep digging. Okay. They gave us eye drops. That's just our freebie. That's a Humify eye drops. Let's see what this is. Huh. Oh, this is category 6. This is the clock. It's a block clock. Category 6 was a block clock. It's actually got a pretty marbling to it. And then it came with, we had a block clock, and then we had an embroidery kit. This was category 6. I'm actually really excited for the embroidery kit. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with the clock yet, but we'll find it at home somewhere. Okay. Now let's see here. Category 3 is packing cubes. I decided to go packing cubes because I picked the embroidery kit and I figured I could either pack with them if I liked them for that, and if I didn't, it could still hold a craft. So I figured you could store stuff still, either other. So I picked packing cubes. And actually, these are a surprisingly good size. I may end up just using them for packing like they're designed. We'll see. I don't know. I like the colors. It's decent quality. It feels good. You can see they go pretty wide. I kind of like these. They even have a little handle on the top. I really do like these. I'm surprised. I didn't think I would, but I do. These might end up being used for packing. But either way, they work. This is category 3. Let's see here. What else did I get? I found it. This is 2. I remember what I picked now. I lost my knife. I'll have to find it later. I picked the Silicone Baking Mat. Oh, it's pretty. And the 2 spatulas. Wasn't crazy about a lot of stuff in 2, but now that I have this in my hands, I actually do like this a lot. You got a little mini spatula. It's got a little flex to it, but not extreme. And it's like siliconed all the way through. You got your bigger one, so you could stir in the icing or whatever. You got this nice mat. It's not super big, and it's got a weird, there's a texture to it. You can feel the sprinkles to it on the one side. Nope, on both sides. You can feel the sprinkles. I don't think I would use this for the baking part, although it is a nice thick mat, just because it's a little smaller. But I had a plan for this. I make no bakes, and I figured this would be good for those because it's silicone, so it's not supposed to stick, and it's easy wash. So I figured instead of using all the parchment paper all the time, I can just use one of these mats, and because it's nice and thick and I can kind of pick it up and it doesn't bend a ton. Actually, I think it's going to be perfect for that. So I'm going to use mine for no bakes. But I don't know if I'd cook with it. Maybe. I mean, it is a good size and it's thick, I guess. So that's what I picked. So that's 2. I'll use it. I'm excited about 2. Okay. 4. It's some Luxie eyeshadow brush kit. And I'm excited. This was a Fab Fit Fun exclusive as far as the color goes. And I don't know what numbers are in here until I open it, but I'm really missing my knife right now. Okay. Get this out. There you go. It's got a nice zip pouch, right? Reusable zip pouch. And let's check out these brushes. And let's see. Enchanted Eye Set. 'Tis the season for more glamorous makeup. These are really pretty in person. I'm trying to see if you can get to see it's got a nice pretty green. Let me see if I can turn on more light maybe. No, it doesn't do it justice. It is the prettiest green glit to it. So you've got this one. Okay. And they're actually named on what they are. This is a Luxie 211 concealer brush. And you've got a 223 short shader, which I kind of like that. Oh, these are soft too, by the way. And they got a little give to them, but it's not like, it won't like powder out. This one's a Luxie flat definer. Okay. And this is brush 237 blending. I don't know if you can see, but the movement's stronger with blending. This is a flat liner, which is how it's supposed to be. Flat liner's got a little firmness to it. These are nice and soft. I'm gonna like these, I think. I'm really excited now. I picked them because I wasn't sure what else to pick, but I really like them. By the way, my daughter picked the chopper, and she says it's really nice too. It's got a nice grip on the bottom, and she's pulling the string, and she's happy. So for those of you who picked that, this is the way to go. Okay. And the last item we picked, which is category 5, was the dryer balls. I didn't get any extras this time. I kind of just stuck to the categories. So it's just whatever the box was, it was. Let's see if I can get these open. I am excited about these because I've been wanting to try them. I heard they're cool. And I hope they work. They are ethically sourced, handmade in Nepal, 100% organic wool dryer balls by To The Market. And they're just wool balls, literally. So that's kind of cool. And there's 3 of them. And they're in this nice canvas bag. So that'll be good. So, Fab Fit Fun for fall 2022. I got the wool dryer balls. And I got the silicone mat with the spatulas. And I got the eye brushes. And I got the embroidery kit. And I got the clock. And some eye drops. And my packing cubes, which I think are my favorite part of the box, next to the eye brushes. And the air purifier. So that's what I got. Hopefully you guys all got the box that you wanted. Now you know the air purifier is about that length and width. You can hear it. And it's got that blue light. So that just turns it on and off. So now you know what that sounds like. So hopefully that helps somebody else pick. We'll see. I hope you all have a good day. Bye, y'all.